moving ahead with the topic of curves. You know what are curves? Have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodled? You know what is doodled? Suppose this is a page of paper, okay, and I am just doodling it. Doodling means doing it like this. You see, this is the doodled page, okay. So, and while you just doodle the page, that time the different curves you will find in your page, okay. So curves are two types. One is open curve, another one is closed curve, okay. Open curve means simply in which two end points do not meet each other. You can see starting from here, ending it here itself. This is your open curve. Then another open curve I can make like this. You can see, and starting from here, ending till here, they are not meeting each other. When the two end points of the curve do not meet each other are called open curve. Then what are closed curve? When we just do the curvings and then just attach both the ends. When end of the curve touch each other, there is no space to put anything inside, is known as closed curve. You can make like this also. You see, these are your closed curve. Clear? So you can see here, open curved, close, close, then again open, close, like this, okay. All these are your curves. And how are curves made? Just doodling the paper sheets. It is not necessary to know, just you keep in mind the two types of curve. One is open and another one is closed, okay. Then you see here, observe that the curve 3 and 7. You see here 3 and 7. This is your seventh one, okay, and this is your third one. What difference you find here? Here it is just touching the end here itself and this line is shifting ahead, is it? Then what else is written here? Whereas 1, 2, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 5 and 6, if you will see, what are they? 1, 2, 5 and 6, all are closed, right? And rest are open curved, okay. That's what is shown here. Now if you will see here, one is open, another one is closed. Then position in a figure. If you will see here, this figure is made. What are the positions of the given dot or point? A is inside, B is on the line, and C is outside, okay. So in the curve, what do we call them? You see, when any point is inside is known as interior. Keep in mind, when any point is inside is known as interior, okay. And when any point is on the line, it is known as boundary, okay. Any point is on the line of the curve is known as on the boundary, and when any point is just outside is known as exterior. Clear now? When the dots which are given, if inside is known as interior, and on the boundary, if it is on the line, if it is made, it is known as on the boundary, okay. And when it is outside is called exterior. Clear? So this is all about your curves. So what are curves? Curves are made using doodled pictures. We have two types of curves, open and the closed curve, okay. Open curve in which end of the curve do not meet each other. Closed curve in which ends of the curve meet each other. Then what are the positions of the curve? Positions of the curve means interior, on the boundary, exterior, okay. Position means interior, on the boundary, exterior. These three are the positions of your curve. The interior of the curve together with the boundary is called its region. You see, what is the region of the curve? It can be asked, what is the region of the curve? This complete interior portion, the complete inner portion, inside part together with the boundary. Okay na, boundary also and interior also together is named as the region of the curve. Got it?